Hello everyone. If you're seeing in the error your system is missing important Windows security updates while launching FACEIT Anti-Cheat, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you how to fix it and get back into your game quickly and safely. First, update Windows completely. FACEIT AC requires the latest security patches. Press Windows key, go to Update and Security, give Windows Update, check for updates, install all available updates. Next, restart your PC. Repeat the check until it says you're up to date. Next. Install optional and security updates. Sometimes required patches are under optional updates. Open Windows Update, click View Optional Windows. Install security updates.net framework updates. Step 3. Ensure Windows version is supported. FACEIT AC does not support updated Windows build. Check your version. Press Windows plus R. Type WinVer. Press enter. Supported Windows 10 to H2 Windows 11 version. If outdated, give Run Windows Update or use Microsoft Update Assistant. Step 4. Enable Windows security features. FACEIT AC requires certain security protections. Enable Secure Boot Restart. PC gives enter. BIOS. UEFI Find Secure Boot set to enabled. Save and exit. Enable TPM 2.0. Press Windows plus R. Type tpm.msc. Ensure TPM is enabled. Step 5. Enable core isolation. Memory integrity. Open Windows Security. Go to Device Security. Click Core Isolation Details. Turn on Memory Integrity. Start your PC once again. This improves anti-cheat compatibility. Step 6. Repair system files using command prompt. Next, another run with a CMD. Type in sfc/scan now. Wait for it to load. And then next, dism/online/cleanup-image/restore help. After, just go ahead and restart once again your PC. Once again, if none of this work, go to Programs and Features and uninstall your FACEIT Anti-Cheat. Once again, you can go ahead and reinstall it. Hopefully this video helped. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.